Hello everyone, I am Dr. Shivkumar Tripathi, Assistant Professor, Faculty of Zoological Sciences, Law Department, Rama University, Kanpur. I will learn this topic family, and family is a word origin and the famous word, and this is a Western country. The term used are nuclear families, and Indian villages are joint families. And the different types of families of Western countries and Indian villages and nuclear and joint families. And the family is the basic unit of society according to Auguste Comte. And the family is a specific transfer point of culture, and cultural transfer in this specific the family. In this origin of the socialization and social control, we have the peoples and knowledge of the family. A family is a main factor of specialization of social control. This situation is social control and social organizations is a part of the family, and this is structure of family. तो सोसाइटीज़ में डिफरेंट पार्ट्स स्ट्रक्चर्स का भी है, जिसमें फैमिली में स्ट्रक्चर्स में हमारे हस्बैंड वाइफ एंड रिलेशंस भी होते हैं, इसमें पेरेंट्स चिल्ड्रन रिलेशंस होते हैं, सिबलिंग्स रिलेशनशिप्स हैं. तो उसमें टाइप्स में देखा गया है कि जो कंजुगल आपका रिलेशनशिप है, जिस न्यूक्लियर फैमिली डिफाइंस करते हैं, जिसमें हस्बैंड्स एंड वाइफ्स रिलेशंस को इंक्लूड्स करते हैं, और फादर सन को पैटर्नल रिलेशंस में आते हैं, और आपका फ्रेटर्नल रिलेशंस में भी इस कैरेक्टर्स में फैमिलीज में आते हैं, जो स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ फैमिलीज को डिनोट्स करते हैं. फिर फैमिलीज में हम देखते हैं कि कुछ कैरेक्टर्स भी हैं जो पर्टिकुलर इसमें देखते हैं कि यूनिवर्सलिटी इन द होल वर्ल्ड इन सोसाइटी इन दिस डिफरेंट एरियाज इन पॉपुलर फैमिली Indians families, Western families, Indians families, in all living styles in life, in the part is a universality. And the second point is a limited size. The family is a limited size, two or more than generations families, one generation families is part of in this area of the family. And the emotional basis, the family is attachment in the emotional basis and attract the persons, introduce the favors of this both of daughter, son, and relations, and particular indicate the emotional basis. And the common habitations, this is a family members is a common habitations in the part of life in the situations is a particular beginning in the societies. And the social norms, this family is a very common factors in norms and values, in rules and regulations. In particular, all members include this as a social norms, values, in control in the society and family and behavior. And this is a very situational conditional. And this characteristics in universality, limited size, emotional basis, and common habits in the part of the family characters. And the हम बात टाइप्स ऑफ फैमिली, एंड व्हेन टाइप्स ऑफ फैमिलीज, तो टाइप्स ऑफ फैमिली रेजिडेंशियल बेसिस पे आपका नेसेसिटी बेसिस एंड मैरिज बेसिस एंड साइज बेसिस. तो रेजिडेंशियल बेसिस में पर्टिकुलर मैट्रिकल फैमिलीज में न्यू पेयर्स ग्रुप्स आफ्टर मैरिज रेजिडेंस इन मदर. This is a matrical families, and paternal families is this is a new married life is new couples is go to parents मतलब husband parents residence. And new local families in different types in family. New local in new couples is particular separate residence in living styles. And enclave family, this enclave family is a particular this husband and wives and this uncles in residence and going to is the part of the this enclave families. And the types में of families में marriage families, तो marriage types में आता है monogamous and polyandrous families. Monogamous is a part of life in this one man जो persons women different women and the part of the life. And polygamous and polyandrous families is this polygamous families, one man and many women, and polygamous families is one different जो parts in societies. As example, उसमें more than women in one husbands and size, and nuclear family in joint families. In this part of the size, nuclear family is a one man, husband and wife, daughter, unmarried servant, slavery, and इसमें servants, and the nuclear families. And joint family is a part of as a family, and two and more than generation families include in these joint families in particular, includes in these areas in the whole worlds. In situation, time durations and changes in society, rural and urban areas change, and industrialization in joint families is broken in convert to nuclear families. And this necessitates maternal basis and paternal families. So maternal families maybe is tribal areas, and paternal family is Indian cultures and north areas, ancestry families and authorities. And matriarchal families and patriarchal families. Matriarchal families is the south areas, and tribal areas is a matriarchal families is found in this areas, and patriarchal families in this north areas and east and west areas in different parts of this ancestry families. And this is the types of families, the four bases, and residence, ancestry, and marriage, size, and authority, and four types of the types of family. And this functions of family. This functions of family is the first point of this regulation of sex behavior and reproductions and representations. This is functions क्योंकि this present time is situations are sex behavior is changes, is time durations, and western cultures and urbanization and different parts of in these societies, and cooperation and division of labors. This is a part of this family functions. Is this unity is diverse in cooperations and division of labors in broke in this time duration in societies. In this is a very unity points of the cooperations and division of labor in society in the societies. Protections, and the society is a secure and protection in the family, all those we are abilities, moments of the families and affections, and this family members attract to affections in this part of the life in these situations. And the economic functions, the part of the families of economic functions in this areas is very close matters in situation, in conditions and different parts of societies. Any problems in this situation occurred this and economic functions. And this is the family of procreations. Family of procreations in this ego points in this mother, father, brother and sisters in this point in egos. And the egos point in son, आपका son daughters आएगा, families members and wives and a family of procreation. The family of procreation is the term was used in sister, brother and father and mother in this family of procreations. In this is the factors of family of disorganizations and selfish motives, and these functions of family changes in societies, selfish motives in this areas, in this personalized, in this work, in family, in this contributions, in diverse, and this functions in this selfish motives and different social values and generations gaps. And the societies at different parts of the life and different social values and cultural changes in society, western culture adopts and urbanization, modernization and different parts of the societies and generation gap. We will be discuss in this generation gap. Generation gap is old persons and new generations in thoughts, values and ideas in the different points of in this family of function, and changing in the social structure. And the society's present time scenario, the change in social structure. And social structure is divided in this many factors, urbanizations, modernization, and western cultures, and different parts of life in the social structure is broken, and they convert nuclear family is a joint family is broken, this nuclear family, and in the conjugal families. And this industrialization, urbanization in this main factor of the family changes, disorganization societies in change in this industrialization, in the work go out these urban areas and industrial areas, and the broke the joint families and convert to nuclear families, and this distributes in this in the part of the main factor of industrialization and urbanization. Changes in the basis of marriage. Marriage is a sanskar. Sanskar is divided in this is a contractual basis, and this different parts of marriage and life and the situations in these areas. And this is problems of modern families, and this problems of modern families in problem of instabilizations, and this is a part of the family is the problems of instabilization in the society, in these situations in their life. In this erosions of authority of family heads, and jo authority as family head is responsibilities is decrease in the societies and not order to provided in this area, and development of alternatives and industrial areas, and different parts of the alternative in the society, in the family, and change in this area, and behalf peoples and knowledge, and decline in the size of family. In the present time is size of declines in this societies and families convert, and nuclear families, husband and wives and daughters and married couples, and rising industrialized individuals, and the rise of individuals in the present time scenario in this society is a very creative persons in this area, and this is a very decrease in universality of marriage, and this is a very universities and this world and temporarily maintain in the society and the changes in this family, and the whole world in this families in this topic and discussion is okay, and thank you.